Hi there, welcome to you and me, and thanks for joining me here today. It's been so long. I hope everyone is doing great in their life, but if not, then don't worry. As you know, your best is yet to come. Before starting our topic, I want to share a quote that I read it somewhere, but I forgot where I read it. Okay, so the line is, dreams are made to be followed, life is meant to be lived. Did you understand anything? Try to understand it because I can't explain you. Okay, so today's topic is, are you an introvert or an extrovert? This question always comes into my mind. Why? Because I love being alone, but at the same time, I love to spend my time with my friends. Introvert means those people who love to be alone, who gains energy from being alone and loses energy when there are a lot of people around them. There are less of people present who is 100% introvert or an extrovert. I'm also not an 100% introvert. I also love socializing, spending time with my friends, making new friends, sharing my thoughts with people, and I enjoy it. But sometimes I feel tired from too much active time. After spending time with others for too long, I start to shut down by feeling tired and exhausting. I enjoy the time when I am alone. I enjoy spending quality time alone to recharge my batteries to gain energy. For example, whenever I get 2 days off from my duty, I feel so relieved. I can spend more time with myself by watching new movies, reading books, write my new journals, and so on. I love talking, but not with others. I speak a lot in my mind. Every second, when I am not having any conversations with others, there is a voice inside my head who is always talking. I think a lot before speaking. Even sometimes I practice certain questions what I can say in a phone calls or in a conversations with others. I remember one of my friends said to me, when I saw your love for your loneliness, I don't really like it. People think I'm shy or lonely. They always try to push me to do more socializing. They forgot that being quiet doesn't mean shy and being alone doesn't mean lonely. I love being quiet and alone because it helps me to motivate myself. I love writing. I'm good at expressing my feeling in written word. If you want to know me, you just need to read my diaries that I never allows anyone to read. I think I'm more creative and productive when I am alone with my own thoughts. Introverts get distracted easily and drained energy when so many things will go on around them. I feel alone in crowd. Whenever I am with my friends or with my family members, there will be a time when I got fully blank from my mind. I always need space from people to recharge my battery. I am not a talkative person. That doesn't mean I never talked. With my friends, I can talk full day. I love people who love large conversations. I don't like small talk because for me, I think small talk will waste your time and also I don't need it in my life. I love deep conversations. I have small group of friends. Instead of having huge number of friends, I believe that if you have 2 or 3 trustable friends who will always be there for you in your good or bad time, that's enough for you. They are some of my thoughts and behaviors that I think every introvert faced once a time in their life. Introverts are not alone, they just love to be alone. They are not difficult to understand. Try to understand them, it's their happiness. If you can't be the reason for their happiness, don't be the reason for their sadness. That's all for today. I hope this video will help you, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. I would love to answer it. Thank you guys and love you. Stay safe. Bye.